My name is Kayley Gable, and I was a heroin addict living in Hollywood with an insane, crazy party life, Hollywood style, and I never thought I'd be alive.
Our approach here is very holistic in that it's a combination of the mind, the body, and spirit. We don't look at somebody with an addiction problem as somebody who just has a problem with drugs or alcohol.
My life was insane. I had I couldn't control any situation. I felt like I wasn't even good enough to have anybody around me.
What's nice about working for the Crosby as a nurse is, first of all, there's a small number of people here, which makes it easier for me to really get to know each person, what they're going through, what medications they're on.
I never thought that I would go through and use those drugs. I was like, God, I'll never be a drug addict. It's so, gross and bad for you. And then when I started doing like little drugs, I was like, oh my God, I would never use cocaine, never use heroin. That is just something I'm not about and I wouldn't do. And I ended up just not being able to get high off of anything. So I went to the gnarly stuff.
When you have an addicted person, there's usually a lot of ambivalence around getting and staying sober. We try to teach them new techniques for dealing with life stresses and stimuli, which they normally react to in a dysfunctional way.
Life, I realized I didn't want to ever deal with life. I was not afraid to die. I was afraid to live. And once you get into routine of actually learning how to live, it's scary.
They're people just like we are. They just simply have issues in their life just like everybody else. They just need a little bit more help getting those issues resolved.
Everybody made sure that you were safe and that you were happy. Anything you were feeling that was inadequate or hurt, they were always there, and that means a lot. And I'm so grateful. It's awesome.